guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog I will just show you what a tiny Japanese hotel room looks like. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Stay tuned, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can see when I upload another video like this. But for right now, I'm gonna give you a tour of my hotel room. Yes, stay tuned. You're traveling, you're spending a lot of money on flights, and you're spending a lot of money on food and transportation. Sometimes you don't need to get a fancy hotel. You can get a no-frills hotel. They are comfy and clean. This one that I'm staying at right now is like really nice. I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the hotel. As soon as you enter, there is a small space right here. You can put your clothes here, and you can put your shoe right here. They also give you these nice cute little slippers that you can wear around your room. You can store stuff up here as well if you want a little bit more space. Now let's get to the room. This is the entryway, and right here is the toilet. There's a note here that says keep the door closed because the fire alarm goes off when it's hot. So this is the bathroom. It's really a small space, but as you can see, the space is used really well. I like the fact that Japanese are able to fit this tiny bathroom in this tiny room. It is so amazing. I'm gonna show you this control right here. So there is a stop button, the shower button, the bidet, the spray strength. You can go up or down if you would like, the nozzle cleaning, and the seat temperature. Seat temperature is a cool option for winter, and I really like that. So this is a nice little control here for the washlet. Yes, it is really clean in here. I love that. They provide a hair dryer and soap, hand soap. Oh, these are all my stuff, my Rick's skin products. That's good. And they give you like a comb, toothbrush. This is razor for shaving, shower cap, and this looks like a body sponge. Yes, there's a body sponge. There's also shaving gel and a cup so that you can use this. Yeah, this is really cool. Now this is the shower. As you can see, the space is really tight, but I think 2 people can fit in here if you're a couple. Yes. And of course there's shampoo and conditioner, and there is body soap. There's a towel right here. The shower is easy to operate. You just turn it on right here, and you can change the temperature if you want it hot or if you want it cold. Hot and cold, yes. There's extra toilet paper as well. This is one of the no-frills hotel, and if you're looking to stay in a hotel that you don't have to pay much because you want to explore Japan, right? So you don't want to have to pay too much money. You can stay in a no-frills hotel. They are really clean, they're tiny, but yes, if you're on a budget, this is a good hotel for you. So I like this one, and now I'm going to show you my room. Let's go. Now to the room section, guys. So this is a really huge mirror right here. I'm loving that. I actually love big mirrors. And right here you have a nice little light. It turns on using this button right here. You can make it as bright as you want, or you can dim the lighting. I really like that. If you're working at night and you don't want to use the other lights in the room, you can use that. They have paper towels. There's a TV. Really tiny TV, but if you want to watch TV, then yes, there are controls right here. There is an air conditioner. All you got to do is press this button right here and turn it on. And now to my favorite part. So they did put like a rag right here, shower rag, a towel so that you can dry off, and also this is a robe, so you can put this on when you get out of the shower. Really cool. They folded it really well and just leave it on top of your duvet. This duvet is very fluffy, and I like that. Yeah, very fluffy duvet right here. And oh, that's my computer right there. I have a nice view. this morning I saw Mount Fuji really clearly. This is the view from the hotel. Most hotels have views of parking lots or mountains, so this is kind of cool. I like this one. Today is a little cold, but the view is superb. Love that, love that, love that. Before I forget, guys, there is a tiny little fridge right here so you can store stuff. Yeah, it's very tiny. Look how tiny that freezer is. It's amazing. But you can store your ice cream up here, and you can store juice down here. I took out my juice from yesterday, so there's nothing in here. Under here you have cups, so if you want to get coffee, you can. If you want to make tea or coffee, you can use the kettle. It's right here, and you can make tea or coffee. And you can use those cups as well. There are some extra plugs. This is so cool. There's one outlet on the mirror. I've never seen that before. There's a nice chair right here. That's good. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is my hotel room. The aircon is going because it's a little cold today. I think it's snowing outside today, guys. Interesting. I mean, it was a bit cold this morning. I didn't expect it to snow, but it is snowing a little bit outside. Yes. I don't think you can see it. This is my hotel room. It's the fluffy duvet, of course. This is gonna be really comfy to sleep on tonight. So yes, thank you guys for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is a tour of my tiny Japanese hotel, so I'll see you guys in my next video. That ends the tour, guys, and I hope you guys will like it. Do not be afraid to get a no-frills hotel when you're traveling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.